Need some refreshing summer mocktails for your next get-together that your guests can't get anywhere? Stick around, I got the perfect non-alcoholic cocktail recipes just for you. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I've got the perfect summer mocktail recipes to add to your list of alcohol-free drinks or just summer drink ideas that I promise you your guests are absolutely gonna love. Now if you're new to this channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things cocktail and bartending, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you never miss a new video when it comes out, and click the notification bell while you're at it. Let's get into the video. Now full disclosure, I created these refreshing summer drinks as regular cocktails. I know, shocking, right? Matter of fact, you might have actually seen a few of these on the website, but with a slight tweak, I was able to keep the same great flavor and get the same satisfying response from my guests that I know you're looking for too. Don't worry though, I'll show you how to change each drink recipe back into easy summer cocktails, both making for a refreshing drink. Also, if you want to turn any of these into a non-alcoholic summer punch, don't forget to check out this video right here at the end to make sure that you learn how to make a large, big batch of cocktails the right way. Now, the first of these easy summer drinks that makes for a great non-alcoholic summer punch is the West Indian Summer. For this mocktail recipe, all you're going to need is to grab your shaker, put some ice in it, and then you're going to go ahead and add an ounce of falernum, an ounce and a half of honey syrup, and an ounce of fresh lime juice. Now you may be saying to yourself, falernum has alcohol in it. Don't worry about it. I got a link in the description for you right now where you can get a recipe to make some non-alcoholic falernum, and then you're good to go. Once that's done, just go ahead and give it a nice shake. Pour it out into a pour it into a Collins glass over ice. Add about 3 ounces of sparkling water to that. Give it a good stir, and then you're all set. Garnish it with a lime wheel like I've done here, or if you want to get a little bit fancier, you can add some candied ginger to your garnish like I do in this picture right here, and then serve it to your guests, guaranteed to please. Now, of course, if you want to do the boozy version of the West Indian Summer, all you're going to do differently is use the regular alcoholic falernum and add 1 ounce of rum to that, and you're all set. Now for the rest of these non-alcoholic summer drinks, if you want to go ahead and serve the boozier version of these to your guests, depending on who you're catering to, I would recommend going with either a vodka, a citrus vodka, like a lemon vodka, if you have it available. And of course, a citrus forward gin works great for these cocktails as well. Totally up to you. You can play with the flavors, but either way, it'll work really well. Next up, we have what I like to call summer's rain. All you're going to do for this one is grab your shaker, 4 to 6 blueberries, fresh blueberries of course, and a fresh sprig of rosemary. Go ahead and put that in your shaker, give it a nice good muddle, and then after that, add 1 ounce of honey syrup and then a half an ounce of lime juice. Put that in your shaker with ice, give it a nice shake, and then go ahead and strain it into your Collins glass. Once you finish with that, go ahead and add about 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water to that, give it a nice stir, and then you're all set. Just take a fresh sprig of rosemary after that for your garnish, agitate it over your fingers, place it behind the straw, and you're good to go for serving it to your guests. Summer rain. Now I've got 2 more recipes for you, but I'd love to hear from you guys. What are some of your favorite non-alcoholic summer drinks and mocktails? Go ahead and drop it in the comments below, and we'll share them with the rest of the community. Now the next one on the list is one I like to call lazy summer. Now for this one, you just grab your shaker, about 3 to 4 fresh strawberries, 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves, and 3 to 4 chunks of watermelon. If you don't have the chunks, or if you can substitute it with an ounce of fresh watermelon juice, that works great too. Now what you want to do here is give these a nice muddle so that you can really pulverize the strawberries and the watermelon to get the juices out. And once you've done that, go ahead and add about 6 to 8 leaves of fresh mint. But instead of muddling these, I want you to go ahead and spank those, drop them in the shaker. You can give them a nice gentle muddle. You can't grind it as much as you can the basil because you don't want to get too much of a green vegetal flavor out of it. But then once you're done with that, go ahead and add 2 ounces of honey syrup and 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Some ice to that. Go ahead and shake it, strain everything out into your glass, and then you're going to top it off with another 2 ounces of sparkling water. Give it a nice stir. And then for garnish, just take either fresh mint or basil, whichever you prefer. Either one is fine. Agitate it over your fingers, place it behind the straw. You're all set to serve the lazy summer to your guests. Now, last but not least, we have our watermelon basil lemonade. Now, this one is one of my favorites, and all you do for this is grab your shaker, take 6 to 8 leaves of fresh basil, and about 3 to 4 chunks of watermelon once again, or like I said, an ounce of fresh watermelon juice. Go ahead and give that a good muddle. And like with the previous drink, you can really work in the basil because you get more of the flavor out of it, but not that vegetal green flavor that you might get if you were really grinding the hell out of the mint. But once you've done that, go ahead and add half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of fresh lemon juice, and then 1 ounce of simple syrup. Throw some ice in there, give it a nice shake, and then you're gonna double strain that over ice into a Collins glass. Once you've done that, take about 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water to top that off and give it a nice stir. To garnish, all you do is take a fresh sprig of basil, agitate it over your finger so that you can get that nice basil aroma. Of course, I'm going to tell you basil is a real word. And place that behind your straw so that when your guest takes that first hit of the drink, they get the aromas of the basil, the watermelon, everything comes together, makes for an amazing first impression, the watermelon basil lemonade. And there you have it, a few of my favorite summer mocktail recipes. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills, take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the Barprints cheat sheet. It's a free download, free PDF that gives you everything you need to upgrade your skills from novice to pro in under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. And also, if you're looking for some more great advice and some cocktail ideas, check out these videos right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.